How can you be this wicked?
Babe,
Get out of my house right now. Get out!
Please, come.
Take this rubbish. Get out of my house.
Please, let's handle this maturely. Please.
Maturely? Okay. How are you 4 weeks pregnant? Answer me, because I've not seen you for 4 months. I haven't laid my eyes on you for 4 months. So explain to me how you are 4 weeks pregnant. Did I Bluetooth it to you? We've spent hours on this thing and we're still going back and forth. No, you will have to up your price. If not, I will sell to the highest bidder. No. Look, in a few minutes it's going to be a new day, and we still haven't gotten to a conclusion. This thing doesn't make any sense. I'll get you to the hospital. Bro, I hit somebody today. Look, man, I don't know, man. I was driving back. I was on the phone with a buyer, and we were trying to close some deal. The next thing I just heard was a crash on my car. I came out and I saw the girl just on the floor. No physical injury observed. I believe they will be discharging her later today. So, yeah, I'm just hoping she'll be fine. And but the real problem now is that she cannot remember her identity. Oh, that's the problem I'm dealing with right now. Huh? I don't know. The doctor suggested that I take her to my house and try to keep her there until she maybe remembers something. Hopefully it will be soon. Yeah, it is, bro. I'm just praying she remembers really fast and recovers, you know. But it's okay, my brother. We'll just talk, okay? Let me head to the clinic now. Hello? So, breakfast is ready. You'll be down at the dining if you're ready to have it. Okay?
Hey, you don't have to stay locked up. You're not a prisoner. Please come sit. So, how was your night? Good? Good. Right? That's good. And yesterday you complained of a headache. So, do you feel better now?
Alive.
Yeah. Which is good. So go ahead and eat. All right. What, you don't like it?
How can I tell that I am not being poisoned?
Trust me. If I wanted you dead, you won't be here. Come on. Have some. You know. Happy now? So, are you remembering anything? Like having memory flashes? Just one or two things? Your name? Hello?
Sorry, I was just trying to remember.
You know what? It's fine. All right. You don't need to stress yourself to or force it with time. And you are welcome to stay here as long as it takes for you to start to remember. All right?
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Phil.
Thank you, Phil.
Sorry, I have to do this.
I miss you, babe. It's been 4 months. When will you be back?
Honey, son, okay?
So that's what you've been saying for the past few months.
Babe, I know. But you know this my job, my new boss, he wouldn't even give me a weekend off.
I understand. All right, I do. I get it. But I mean, come on. You're everywhere but here. You're in Ibadan, Abuja, and now you're in Port Harcourt. Come on now. I miss you.
Baby, I'm trying, but you know I can't just pack up and leave just like that.
Babe, it's not like I'm asking for too much. I'm just asking for just a few days. 1 week.
I know, babe, I'm trying. You know what? I'm going to make it up to you, alright?
I just want to feel like I matter than this your job. Even if it's for a few days, just come. So, a few days, you'll see me in a few days.
I know, baby. I know. Okay? Don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
Really?
It's not a promise, but I'll try. Alright?
I miss you so much, babe.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
For a second, I thought I walked into the wrong house.
No, I just thought I'd clean up a little.
A little. My dear, there's nothing little about this. You've turned my house into a 5-star suite.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And dinner is almost ready.
I'll go up, freshen up, then come down for it.
Okay. I will set the table for you just before you come.
For me?
Yes.
Why not for us?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No, I need to freshen up. I need to go shower. I feel very sticky.
Well, then I'll wait. When you're done, we'll eat together.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Good job. Thanks. I appreciate it. This was actually nice. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah, so I found this.
Okay.
I think it belongs to you. I found it at the back of my seat. My car seat.
So this is my phone.
Yes, I think so. It's dead now. I'll get a charger for you tomorrow. Hopefully, it will help joggle your memory. Yes.
Thank you. How about if I work for you?
Work for me.
Yes, I can help keep the whole place clean and cook all your meals. Can. How about that?
I'll get it. All right. Come in. Hey! What a surprise. I wasn't expecting you.
Babe,
Yes.
who is she?
Don't worry about her. Okay, I'll explain. Let's go upstairs. Hey, can you come help with the bag?
No, don't worry. I don't like strangers touching my stuff.
Good to see you. You really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this.
And you leave her here.
What was I supposed to do? Yeah? Leave her on the street.
Baby, you know I don't like strangers in my space.
So, you don't get, babe. I knocked her down with my own car.
And the best solution is to bring her here.
Babe, she couldn't remember anything. Was I supposed to leave her in the hospital? She has nowhere else to go.
Babe, don't you understand? She could be dangerous.
She's not dangerous. She's hurt. She's confused. She needs help.
Oh, she needs help. Why not lodge her in a hotel or something? Just take her out of here.
For how long? Weeks? Months? That's not sustainable now.
Okay, fine. 2 weeks. Yes, she has 2 weeks to stay here and figure herself out, regain her memory, and just leave.
2 weeks is not enough.
It's more than enough, Phil. It is.
She asked me if she could stay here and work for me, and I
And
said,
you agreed. Babe, why are you not so security conscious? Why are you doing this? What if she's lying?
she's not lying.
And you know that? Huh?
No.
Listen, she has only 2 weeks to stay here. After 2 weeks and she's still here, I am going to leave this house.
Do you want me to do something for you?
No, I want to talk with you. You have the job.
Really?
Yes, you do. So you can help out with cleaning and cooking, right? While I make arrangements for a place where you stay in the next 2 weeks.
But why can't I stay here? She doesn't want me here, right?
Look, she's not just used to strangers in her space. But in the meantime,
I understand.
yes, I'll need you to be comfortable, okay? Just make yourself at home while you're here, all right?
Thank you for everything.
See you.
Oh, can I hold you today? Let's see if I want you to oh, can I hold you today? Oh, see if I want you to give up what you feel, run away.
Wow. I didn't know I was living with the world's best dancer.
That was just.
What was that song you were singing and dancing to?
I don't even know. It just came to my head.
Well, it kind of sounds familiar. Yeah, like, and really though, with this kind of moves, you need to start charging for dance lessons.
Thank you.
Like, you will have to teach me these moves, like that thing you were doing with your waist just now. What is that?
You're welcome.
All right. So just keep doing what you're doing.
Sophie, which kind of wala be this? Which kind of yes sleep is this one? Sophie, get up. You need to get up. Sophie. Sophie, now. Sophie. 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 Sophie.
Don't get too comfortable because I am going to make this place a living hell for you.
But please, I don't want any trouble.
So I am the one who likes trouble. You left wherever you came from to camp in my man's house and you're telling me you don't want trouble. Will you come back here, my friend? I am talking to you and you're walking out on me. Are you mad? Huh?
What exactly do you want? What do you want from me? I didn't come here to fight. I did not.
Listen, I want you to leave. Just go. Leave.
You know, I really don't like trouble. But if you push it, I swear to God. You will get it.
Did you just hold? I will make sure you leave this house. Don't worry.
Rubbish. Person dey here will behave like a normal man do. Let's see if you come romance.
Babe, what are you doing? These are my clean clothes. What are you doing?
Babe, I'm sending it to your maid to wash.
Why?
It's her job. Aren't you paying her for it?
Babe, that I'm paying her does not mean you should enslave her.
When does washing clothes means that I'm enslaving her? She should do her damn job. Simple.
Oh, babe, wait, how much do you think I'm even paying this girl that you want to use chores to choke her? Just 100,000 naira.
Wait, 100,000 naira? 100k?
Yes.
Wait. You're paying her 100k?
Yeah?
Wait, let me bring more clothes. This is so sweet. 100,000 naira. Ha!
Babe, all this it's unnecessary. It's unnecessary, for God's sake.
I want her to regain her memory, okay? And you know what? Just remove this shirt. I'm coming to pick it up.
Are you sure you don't want my boxers too?
Babe, I'm serious. I'm not joking. Remove it. I'm coming to pick it now. 100,000 naira. Go drop it. Wash them.
No problem. I'll wash them when I finish doing the dishes.
I said you should wash them now.
And I said I will do it when I finish doing dishes. There is no light. So I cannot use the machine. When I finish washing plates, I will wash it.
Use the machine for what? What happens to your hands?
See, it's too early for your trouble.
It's too early for my trouble.
Yes.
If the heat is too much, why not remember your house address and go? Leave my man's house, just go! And come to think of it, how come you can remember how to speak English? I want these clothes properly washed before I come back. Silly.
Babe, seriously, I'm trying to understand what has gotten to you. This is unlike you.
Babe, the devil you're playing with is not playing with you. If you know the Nollywood movie that I just watched recently, you understand why I'm doing this.
Wait, Nollywood movie?
Yes.
What has that got to do with anything?
Okay, let me tell you. The girl pretended that she had memory loss, only for her to lure this rich guy. And this guy took her in. Before you would know it, she got pregnant for the guy. Before this guy find out the truth, she was already pregnant.
Oh, babe, that's a Nollywood movie. And this is real life.
Maybe anything that can happen in Nollywood movies can happen in real life. So I'm trying to protect the threat ahead. Please.
Babe, listen. Come here. She's not a threat to you.
And that's the problem I have with you. You always trust people too much. Listen, I am trying to protect you, okay? And I will protect you with everything in me. I'll protect you, okay?
Obviously, you're doing this out of love, but it's okay. Like I said, she's not a threat.
Don't worry about you.
Sure.
Yeah. Aquila. Aquila. Aquila, I called you. I am calling you.
Oh, you said Aquila, that's not my name.
Oh. I thought you can't remember your name. So how come you know Aquila is not your name? Okay, let's say your parents should have named you Monkey or Cheetah. And I decided to give you Aquila, which is such a nice name. And you're here saying it's not your name. Huh? Auntie knows what her name is not, but doesn't know her name. Listen to me, let me tell you. My second name is a truth finder, and I must find out the truth about you. Rubbish. Leave. Get out.
Your clothes are dry. Where should I put them?
On my head. Oh yeah, pack it. Put it on my head. Asking me dumb questions. Please just take that thing in my room and iron it. Please just go, leave. Hi, babe. What? Wait, you're back in the country? Oh my God. Babe, I'm not in Abuja right now. I traveled to Lagos to see my mom. Yeah, she's not feeling too well. What? Wait, you want to come and see my mom? Babe, I don't think that can work. Oh. Yes. She has phobia for visitors and it happens anytime she falls sick. Okay, babe. Alright, babe. I love you so much. Okay? I'll call you back. Were you eavesdropping on my conversation?
Hello. Your room is locked.
Uh-huh.
I don't know where to put it.
You should take that cloth out. Take it anywhere. Go! I said you should leave. Go. Take it anywhere. Take it to... Just go. How much did she hear? No. This girl must leave this house. I can't condone this anymore. She must leave. Where is that stupid girl? Listen to me. You came into this house with nothing. And you are going to leave this house with nothing because everything you've been wearing was bought by my man. Now get up and leave this house. I am talking to you. Stand up and leave this house now. Wait, oh. This girl that carry me play. I said you should leave this house. Leave. Do you want me to break your head? Leave. Get out. Leave. Because I the village speak big English, Abi. You think that well? This girl. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Leave!
What are you doing here?
Madam, she chased me out of the house.
This again. You know what? Come in now. Just come in. Let's go. Come in here.
How could you send that girl out like that?
I don't want her here again.
Babe, you gave her 2 weeks. At least allow her stay 2 weeks.
Well, I changed my mind. I want her to leave. Or I will leave. You think I'm joking? Just leave me. Leave me.
Okay. I'll give you 200K to make her stay. I know how much shopping that money can do for you.
Well, make it 500.
Oh, babe, you and money.
What? Are you sending the money or not?
That's blackmail.
Done.
Sent it.
Thank you. But please, tell her to stay out of my way.
Don't worry. I'll tell her.
Atina, here. I want you to...
Do you mind knocking before you barge into the room next time?
Listen, take this money and buy everything on this list. Phil wants you to make jollof rice for him, okay?
I already made rice for him. That's what he asked me to make before he went to work.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to question me? Wait, are you trying to question me? Are you stupid? Yes, you!
Hey! What's going on here? What's the meaning of this?
Man, I was just telling her to make dinner for you and she started beating me.
That true?
She slapped me first.
Alice, did you slap her first?
Why are you asking me such questions? Just tell me, are you sleeping with her?
Excuse me, I had a very busy day today.
Babe! You're going to leave this house! You're going to leave this house! I'll make sure you leave this house. You're very stupid. You're very stupid.
I think it was God for taking more than
Babe, I can't believe you're taking her side.
I'm not taking anyone's side. Did you or did you not slap her?
That's not the point. I'm your fiancé for crying out loud.
That's the exact point. You walked in there and you slapped her instead of talking.
Because she was disrespectful. She doesn't belong here.
Babe, I know. Babe, I told you she's only here temporarily. I am handling it.
Handling it? By letting her make me feel like a stranger in our own home?
That's not true. Babe, I understand that you're upset, but
But you're more concerned about her feelings than mine, right?
it's not true. Babe, I just want us to handle this thing maturely.
Maturely, how? By letting a random woman into our home without even consulting me.
Oh, God, babe. Come on. I thought we've gone past this. I couldn't just leave her on the streets.
So you're prioritizing a stranger over me.
That's not fair.
What you're doing is not fair. And I want her to leave this house right now.
Wait. Is this just another way of you trying to get money out of me? Eh? Alice. Hey. Alice? Alice? Hey. Alice? Hey, babe, what's this? Are you okay? Hey! 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 What's your name? Peace? Joy? Motube? Hey! Where you come now? Please get my car keys. Quickly, get me my car keys. Give it to me, give it to me. Get the door. Pass the bounces, please. Thank you. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. How is she? Is she doing better?
How can you be this wicked?
Babe,
Get out of my house right now.
Please,
Get out!
Please, come.
Take this rubbish. Get out of my house.
Please, let's handle this maturely. Please,
Maturely. Okay. How are you 4 weeks pregnant? Answer me, because I've not seen you for 4 months. I haven't laid my eyes on you for 4 months. So explain to me how you are 4 weeks pregnant. Did I Bluetooth it to you? Or did I send it to you via debit alert to one of those numerous money I kept sending to you?
I can explain, please.
Explain, please.
Okay.
Is there really work in Abuja? Answer me, is there work in Abuja? Do I know you? Do I really know you? Alice, do I know you? Do you have a job? Do you have a job? Answer me!
I lost my job!
What?
I lost my job 2 months ago. My boss...
Your boss what? Talk, your boss what?
I didn't mean it to happen this way.
You didn't mean what? Alice!
I was intimate with my boss. I'm sorry, it was a mistake.
Mistake? It was a mistake. Get out.
Babe, please.
Alice, get out right now. If you dare say that word, I will... Get out!
Babe, please.
I loved her deeply. I gave her everything. Everything. Whenever I give my heart out like that, it's never enough. It's either I give too much or too little. Not enough. I don't know why love feels like this. Weakness. That's what it is.
Loving someone deeply is never a weakness. It's human.
Sure feels like it. You know, every time I give. And all they do is just take.
Your food is ready. You need to eat. You can't go through this pain on an empty stomach.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. You're a good person. You don't deserve this pain. Hey. Just one round. Hello? Okay. You have to choose. It's either we dance or play the game.
Dance.
Yes, I will even play the music. Should I get the remote?
You're relentless, aren't you? Set the game. I'll go first.
You have to teach me.
You still haven't remembered anything. Even after holding your phone.
I can't remember the password.
Really? Well, in that case, we'll have to do a naming ceremony for you.
A naming ceremony?
Yes, because I can't be trying to figure out what name to call you every time I need your attention. 6-1. You want to
You're my friend.
So what name?
What name should it be?
No, you choose. It's your name.
Let me see. How about bread and butter?
Is that even a name?
Well, I don't know. It's just, I know it's a nice delicacy and I like it.
Okay? If that's what you want. Bread and butter.
Sorry.
Water. Yeah? Who is it? Oh. Yeah, Phil, my guy. Good to see you, bro. Yeah. Hey. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'll clean this up.
You sure?
Yes.
Did he hurt you?
No, I'm fine.
You seem familiar. Have we met?
No, we haven't.
Sit down, bro. So you know her?
No, I don't think I know her.
She's the lady I told you I knocked down that couldn't...
Oh, the girl couldn't remember anything?
Yes, that's her. So you know her?
No, I don't know her.
Oh. So how far now? You didn't even tell me you were coming to Lagos. You just appeared all of a sudden.
Bro, I say make I surprise you now.
Okay, so let me get you something.
So don't worry. I can do that myself. This is my house, okay? I can do it. All right.
Just be careful.
Amanda. You know, I never had the faintest idea that I would meet you here. From Delta State to Lagos State. Your business has gone interstate. You're doing well.
Uncle, I don't know what they talk about.
You say what?
I said I don't know what they talk about.
You stole my money. And you disappeared into thin air. And you reappeared in my friend's house, faking amnesia.
How come they talk like that for?
You see waiting.
Not so.
You see waiting. Money. I will tell. Feel who you really are. Good. Now tell me, how you want to pay my money? Speak, you're wasting my time.
I don't hear. See, it's him saying. See, they pay me every month. They pay me 100K every month. So basically what just happened to see, all the money they give me, I'll just keep back everything, give you a bag.
Listen, you will pay in cash and kind.
Gonna that one will not fit to me.
You say waiting.
That kind way they talk so I'm not going to.
If you don't pay my money, I'm gonna tell Phil everything about
pay
you.
the money. If not the money, I will pay the money. That one. Pay the money. I beg. See, I don't get anybody. I don't get family. I don't get friend. I don't get. Like you see this few weeks, so I enjoy help my life, and it is soft for me for now. Beg, don't spoil it for me. I beg you. I beg my God. I beg. I enjoy you. See, all things don't pass. I beg. I don't want to do that kind of shit. Just. I'll give you money. I beg.
Are you sure?
I shouldn't die. He shouldn't die.
Then, listen. You have to dance to my music. You have to do everything when I don't tell you.
Hey! What's keeping that drink?
I was just trying to know her. She's really a good girl, just that she can't remember much.
Yes, I told you. But I've also told her that she can call this place home until she's able to recall some things. You know?
Yeah, she's...
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So,
In the fridge, yes.
You ain't got to drink again. You want?
God, I beg you. Waiting my hope. I reach this. Mama, you know say you go born. No, please. Yes. No. Marco, are you there? Marco,
Good, baby. You fine, girl. You set.
I'm manipulating. I remember money.
What do you mean that?
I mean my money. What's that?
You have money, safe, eh? You too like money.
I know. The money I like. I don't keep person. You said be too talk. Cho. Give me money.
All right. This is Mark in the building.
Big Mac.
You talk about money?
No be problem. You know some money, no be problem.
How much do you want? How much do you want? You want more?
I want money. You know me now.
All right, baby. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's go down to the real business.
Go back. Eh? Go back now. See our trouble, trials and tribulations just the use for your body. Go back.
We can go back now.
Go cleanse your system before you go come back.
All right, let me go and freshen up so we can get down to business. All right, so come, let me just take a shower.
Take that shower, well. My cololo. God, I do like the smell of new body. Come back, well, cleanse your system.
Can I sit?
Phil is not around.
I know. I just left him at the office. And as for you, I can't seem to get you off my mind. Remember our little secret? Huh? Remember?
Stop!
In the beginning, you were a dream, a canvas painted with light gleam. Whispers of love filled the air, a fairy tale spun. We were dancing in pairs, but the colors faded, the truth came out. The spark that we had turned into doubt.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm just tired.
If you say you're okay, then why the teary face? Sit. 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 What is it?
Nothing. It's just every time I think about the fact that I can't remember anything, I just feel so alone. It feels like I'm just so lonely in this dark world.
I want you to see me as your family. And you're never alone. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bread and butter. You know, how about we give you a proper name? Say, I think I'll call you Rose. Like the beautiful flower. You like Rose?
It's a beautiful name. Thank you.
You know what? Go get your spoon, let's eat. Since we're family now. Go get your spoon. Go get your spoon. Hi. Rose, go get your spoon. I'm waiting. Hey. Need a hand?
Oh no, it's fine. I've got this.
Too bad. I'm not even your client, babe.
Well, you really don't have to. Fine.
I insist. I am staying right here and I am going to help.
Well,
unless you plan to carry me out of this.
you can help by just watching.
Sure.
At least that way you can learn a thing or two about how to wash plates.
Are you kidding me? You know how many times I watched plates growing up?
Mm.
I clean plates, so very well. Watch them. Why are you looking at me?
Because you were looking at me.
I was like, looking. What did you used to see me? Look at she. You're not even a badass with this plate. See the way you're washing it.
I'm just trying to be careful so I don't splash too much water on you.
Flash it up.
No!
Way back.
In the beginning, you were a dream, a canvas painted with light gleam. Whispers of love filled the air, a fairy tale spun. We were dancing in pairs, but the colors faded, the truth came out. The spark that we had turned into doubt. You wore a mask so charming and bright, yet shadows danced in the back of the night. I saw you in love with you, even though you're not who you say you are. And who I thought you were is lost among the stars, in spite of my disappointment.
So I was wondering if you would not mind accompanying me to a business dinner tomorrow.
It's just that I don't know if
Oh, you don't have to bother about what you wear. On our way, we could stop by and get something nice.
Thank you.
No, it's nothing, actually. I just thought you'd be good company and, you know. All right, I'll see you, all right? You outdid yourself tonight. You know, you're impute. That was amazing. Really.
Thank you.
Yeah. I actually wasn't expecting you to jump in. And when you did what you said, I'm very sure that's going to close me that deal.
Really?
Yeah. I said it.
What?
Did I tell you you were going to close me that deal? They just sent me a mail now that they want to close the deal. Do you know how long I've been trying to seal this deal? Honestly, do you know? Seriously, to get a free date on this guy's calendar, I had to convert a dinner date with his wife into a business dinner.
For real?
Yes, and since his wife was his business partner, I just thought bringing you along was going to make the whole atmosphere more relaxed.
Well, that's very good to know.
Yeah, and honestly, your impute was great. And I think I need someone like you by my side. So starting tomorrow, you start to follow me to the office.
Wait.
Yes, I need a PA, a good one. You're smart, intelligent. You have head for the right things. Yeah.
Wait,
So you stop cleaning from tomorrow. No more cleaning, no more cooking. Straight
no,
office work.
no. I can do both. I can still cook, clean, and still do
Just
the...
relax, okay? I got this.
Thank you for everything.
In the beginning, you were a dream, a canvas painted with light gleam. Whispers of love filled the air, a fairy tale spun. We were dancing in pairs, but the colors faded, the truth came out. The sparks that we had turned into doubt. You wore a mask so charming and bright, yet shadows danced in the back of the night. I'm falling in love with you, even though you're not who you say you are. And who I thought you were is lost among the stars. In spite of my disappointment, with a heart that's torn in two, I can't help but keep loving you, even if you're not true. Promises whispered sweet as the breeze. Now the echo like leaves in the trees. You build a fortress, but it crumbles fast. And now I'm left holding the pieces that last. But here in the silence, there's something so real. A flicker of warmth that I can still feel. I chase the reflection of who you could be. In the depths of illusion, still hoping to see. I'm falling in love with you.
Oh, nice.
Back to the madam. Hey. Welcome. I see you found the store.
Yes, I did. I need to go sort this out. I want to make dinner.
Okay. Hey. Don't even think about it. She's off limits.
Bro, I didn't say anything.
Your eyes did. Did you? I said she's off limits.
Bro, come on. I didn't say anything.
And I said she's off limits. Focus on the TV.
Fine. Let's go. Feel.
Focus.
I can't stop thinking about how good you are in bed. Those memories are what I'm fantasizing about.
Oh, I beg. Beg, just stop that kind of talk. Beg.
What are you talking about?
See, I don't stop to dey live that kind of life. Oh. It seems like this now brand new life I dey inside you. All things have passed away. Beg.
Brand new life. With who? Listen, you will not do that. Whenever I want you, you will be mine. Henceforth, you are my stress reliever. Did you hear that?
Go, I beg. Don't be talk that kind of thing. Just forget all that kind of thing, I beg.
You don't have a choice. Unless you want me to tell Phil everything about you. And you know what? Phil won't even hesitate to throw you out of this house because he hates being lied to. He kills whatever trust or likeness he has for someone. Okay. 7 p.m. at my place tonight. Don't keep me waiting. See you around.
You must really think you're going to win this time around, Abby.
I don't think. I know I'm going to win.
Let's see. 10.
Okay.
You've got to be kidding me. How are you doing this?
It's simple. I'm just pretty good at it.
Pretty good, or you're cheating.
Me, I never cheat. Trust me.
You're cheating. There's something you're doing with these dice. Yes, who is that? Come in.
Hey,
Mark,
why are you looking at me like that?
what's going on?
Anyway, staying in the house got boring. And the guest I was expecting yesterday didn't show up. And I figured, why don't I come here and spend the weekend with you guys?
Sure.
I should go check on the food.
You can't just leave it because of me, okay?
No.
You know your way around. Take your bag upstairs.
Why didn't you tell her to take it for me?
Your handbrake. Bro, if you
Guy.
came to stress her, you better pack your bag and go back to where you're coming
I
from.
was only joking. I'm your guy now. Come on, guy. Feel, my guy. All right. You stood me up today.
I beg, please don't do this.
We
Please.
had a deal for 7, but you didn't show up. Do you know what? Just lie down quietly so we can do this peacefully, okay? Don't worry. Just... Mandy! Mandy, come out now! Mandy! Mandy, come out now. You know you can't hide in there forever. Mandy! Mandy! Okay. You don't want to come out? Alright. I know what to do. That was your plan, right? Hide in a bathroom like a scared little mouse?
See, not just near me. You hear me? Not near me at all.
Walk away? You think I'm going to walk away after the stunt you pulled last night? You know you got some nerves, right?
See, look my face away. I'm not dey fear you again. You do hear me? So if they want your power, near me now. I swear to God, if I know.
Stab me? See this small girl. Amanda, drop this knife now.
Better for you just don't near me. Yeah. Better for you just don't near me.
So, this is the game, right? This is how you want to play the game. Good. Just watch out what happens next. Because Phil is going to hear everything about you.
Hey, tell him. Tell Phil now. What's the worst thing we go? But I ain't gonna send me go back street and I will survive. But make I day here. They suffer all this rubbish they do to me since. No. I don't fit take him. I'm not gonna take him again. Yeah.
What's going on here?
I just came to...
Nothing. I was just making...
Actually, I came to ask her if dinner is ready. Come on, why are you looking at me like that? I came to ask her if dinner is ready. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
I got you this. It's a dress. I saw it and I thought it looked good on you.
Oh.
Yeah. Is Mark in any way disturbing you? Are you sure?
Yes.
In that case, I'll let you finish what you're doing.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
A bastard.
Alice, would you stop calling my phone? Calling my phone.
Yes, coming. Come in. You look amazingly gorgeous.
Yeah, I would be ready in a bit.
Go! Can you see that?
Look at this guy.
Oh, this guy. Wow. See now.
I want to talk to you about something very important.
Okay. What is it?
Hey, come on. I don't think it's anything important. Come on, Amanda, don't ruin the fun of this match now. This is the best match of this season, right, Phil?
She said it's something important. The match can wait. I'll catch up later. What is it you want
I
to
don't
say?
think it's important. Probably she want to ask you what's for dinner, right?
Bro, chill. She said she has something important to tell. Yes, what is it?
I just...
You know what, let's go upstairs.
No, don't worry. It's actually not very important. I just wanted to know what you would like to eat for dinner.
I told you. It's nothing important. Come on, sit down. Let's watch this match.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Okay. You can make anything.
Okay.
Come on, let's continue the match, okay?
You know when I'm coming. I couldn't sit still. Seeing you worried gets me worried.
I'm fine.
Enough with the lies. You're not fine. I like it when my bread and butter is happy. Alright? It gladdens my heart because I've fallen in love with you. Alright? So I know you are not okay. And I'm very sure it's not about the dinner. So what is it?
I can't do this.
Why not? Why are you holding back?
You deserve better. You deserve someone good. And that person is not me.
Hey, what are you talking about?
My name is Amanda. And I am a prostitute.
You're getting your memories back.
I never lost it.
What?
I was 13 when I ran away from home. My stepfather had been abusing me. And when I told my mom, she didn't believe me. She chose him over me. So I left home and moved in with my cousin. She introduced me to prostitution.
What?
And that's what I've been doing all my life. Mark, he was one of my customers.
Wait. You knew Mark from the beginning?
Yes. When you knocked me down that night, I had just escaped from ritualists who kidnapped my friend Sophie and I. I overheard one of them talking over the phone about harvesting female organs. So I got scared and I rushed to go tell my friend Sophie about it. But when I got to her, she was already dead. They had killed her. It felt like a perfect opportunity to rewrite my identity. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for lying about my memory. I just didn't want to go back to that life. And I had nowhere to go. I have no one. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
You lied to me. You made me believe a lie all this while.
I'm sorry.
I took you in. Put you into my business. All for a lie.
I'm sorry.
Get out. Get out of my house.
Please, I have nowhere to go. I have no one. Please.
You made me believe you were someone else. You made me believe you were someone I could trust, someone I could love.
I was scared. I was scared of what the truth could do to us.
Decided that the best thing to do is lie to me. Hide this mess from me.
I was trying to survive. You think I wanted this? Do you really think I wanted this? I saw Sophie die. I didn't want to go back to that life. And I had nowhere to go. Hiding my truth was the only way. I'm sorry.
You've been sleeping with Mark in my house.
I didn't want that to happen. But he kept threatening me. He threatens me every chance he gets.
Pack your things and leave my house.
Please.
Pack.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. I have nowhere to go. Please, you have to help me.
Said, pack your things and get out of my house. If I come back.
What the hell?
Get out of my house.
What is this about?
Don't you play dumb with me. You've been taking advantage of that girl.
Oh, is that what she told you, that I'm taking advantage on her?
That's exactly what she said, yes.
She's lying. I didn't. She threw herself at me.
You're such a pathetic liar. You've been exploiting her with her situation, and now you want to blame everything on her.
I feel I didn't do anything. She's trying to save herself. Don't let her twist the story.
Guy, get out of my house. Right now.
Really? Is that what you want? Fine, I will go. Don't ever come crying to me when you finally realize that she's not who she says she is.
Guy, get out. Right now. Good. I'll go. Let me go and get my bag.
You're guys, we shouldn't allow a cheap prostitute to come in between us.
Get out! Don't make me push you.
Hey, come on, take it easy, okay? Get out.
Hey! Amanda, whatever you call yourself, pack your things, get down and leave this house right now. I said get. What are you doing here?
Babe, please.
Don't you ever in your life call me that name again.
Babe, listen, I am not pregnant again. I lost the pregnancy already. Baby, let's talk about this now. Baby, please.
Get out of my house.
Baby.
Amanda! Take your things and come down right now!
something wrong with you? Do you have a death wish or something? How'd you just jump in front of my car like that? You want to die?
Please, I have nowhere to go.
Oh, you have nowhere to go, so you want to put me in trouble? Look, if I drive out now and come back, if I meet you, what you will see, you will not love it. No, just wait there. I thought I told you I don't want to see you here when I get back.
Sorry. But I told you I can't live without your forgiveness.
You better take this bag and get out now. If not, I'll call the estate security to throw you out. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? This should be enough to get you a hotel for the meantime. Take it.
In the beginning, you were a dream, a canvas painted with light gleam. Whispers of love filled the air, a fairy tale spun. We were dancing in pairs, but the colors faded, the truth came out. The spark that we had turned into doubt. You wore a mask so charming and bright, yet shadows danced in the back of the night. I'm falling in love with you, even though you're not who you say you are, and who I thought you were is lost among the stars. In spite of my disappointment, with a heart that's torn into.
It's about to rain. Come inside. Did you hear me? I said it's about to rain. Come inside.
Thank you.
Echo like leaves in the trees. You build a fortress, but it crumbles fast. And now I'm left holding the pieces that last. But here in the silence, there's something so real, a flicker of warmth that I can still feel. I chase the reflection of who you could be in the depths of illusion, still hoping to see. I'm falling in love with you, even though you're not who you say you are. No, no. And who I thought you were is lost among the stars. In spite of my disappointment, with a heart that's torn in two, I can't help but keep loving you.
Amanda. 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 Amanda, I'm coming in. Amanda.
Hey! Amanda! Amanda, what did you do? Oh my God, Amanda! Amanda!
Oh, Amanda, no! No, no, what did you do?
Amanda, look at me. What you did broke something in me. Not because you lied to me, or because you thought that I would not forgive you, but because you thought that the answer to your pain was this. Do you think it ends there? Do you think everything ends, the pain ends like this? No. It transfers to me, to everyone who loves and cares about you. We are all left to feel the burden of what you thought you escaped. Listen, pain does not have to be silent. It's not something you need to bear alone. You don't need to carry it alone.
I just didn't know what to do. The life I have lived, it's a stain. And it will follow me everywhere for the rest of my life.
Who doesn't have a past? We all have somewhere we are coming from. Right? Every scar, every mistake, it's part of who we are. But we don't let it define us. Right? It shouldn't be the reason why we give up hope. We have to fight. I know what it's like to carry shame. To feel like you will never outrun your story. I was an escort for 3 years. Yes, it's true. That's why I never judged you. Because I know what it's like to do things that you're not proud of just because you want to survive. But we need to fight. No matter how broken you feel, you need to fight always. Because no matter how tough it is, there will always be a way forward. Always. I need you to promise me. Promise me that no matter what, you will not let the darkness win again.
I promise.
I don't know what you did to me, but Who is that? I don't remember inviting you.
sorry, okay? I miss my friend. I don't want to keep living like this. Listen, I can do anything to bring you back. Please.
That is... Okay, finish.
Please. Listen, I said I am sorry. I didn't even know that you had a thing for her.
That is not the point, Mark. You took advantage of our situation, and that is wrong.
She stole from me. All I just wanted is for her to pay for her sins.
And then why didn't you ask for the money back?
I said I am
Why did you have to ask her for sex?
I am sorry. Can we just move on and stop all this, please? I'm sorry. Phil.
Get out.
In the beginning, you were a dream, a canvas painted with light gleam. Whispers of love filled the air, a fairy tale spun. We were dancing in pairs, but the colors faded, the truth came out. The spark that we had turned into doubt. You wore a mask so charming and bright, yet shadows danced in the back of the night. I'm falling in love with you, even though you're not who you say you are, and who I thought you were is lost among the stars. In spite of